Rachel from A Sense of Calm. Today we're going to continue our journey toning through the vowel sounds. The vowel sound today is air. So that would be written either E-H, or it's easier to pronounce it if you just think of the word air, A-I-R. So it's air. So it's chanted like this. Air. So just a few hints. If you remember that column of sound that's either inside you or behind you, you're just going to open your mouth and bring the sound through. Imagine that you're inhaling the sound, you're sucking it in. Obviously it's going to be coming out of you, but if you imagine you're sucking the sound in, it can be really helpful. Also it creates more of a resonance, a vibration inside the body, which is more therapeutic. And also try and keep going to the very, very end of the out breath. And if you can, just sit momentarily in the space that comes afterwards before allowing the in-breath. Okay, so let's make an air sound all together. So there we are, a very simple sound. It seems so simple, how can it be doing anything? But actually working with the vowel sounds is really powerful because you produce harmonics, overtones. Some you might be able to hear, some you can't hear, but they're extremely healing and have a healing effect on the mind, the body and the spirit. So working with the vowel sounds is simple but very effective. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed making the sounds. Bye bye, have a good day.